got a new hat. Baseline and posture. This is a special hat. I told you it was a special hat. The best part about this hat is I can change it. So the idea behind baseline and posture is presenting core beliefs and values. So take that patch off. If I'm feeling lonely, I can remember never alone. Or if I'm getting down on myself, like nothing ever changes, all things new. So thank you, Ben. It's great to see when an idea becomes a reality. And this, my friends, is a great idea. So check out Baseline and Posture.